At times, your motorcycle may not fire up. There are several reasons why. A few of them are common and can easily be resolved. Here are some troubleshooting tips for a smooth ride. You will need the following tools for this activity: a fuse plucker, which is available in your motorcycle kit, and a spare battery. First, we should check the availability of adequate fuel. To do that, turn on the motorcycle. Make sure the kill switch is on. Now, hold the motorcycle, remove the side stand, and check for the fuel mark on the instrument cluster. You should have sufficient fuel in the tank. If you are running low on fuel, here is how to top up. Open the tank cover with the key. Pour good quality of petrol through a plastic funnel. Close the tank cover, press to lock it and remove the key. Now you have sufficient fuel for the ride. Next, let's check for issues with the fuse box. Open the right-hand side panel lock with the motorcycle key and then open the fuse box lid. Pull out each fuse with the fuse plucker and inspect closely. If you find any fuse blown, then replace it with a spare one, also available in the same box. Close the fuse box panel cover and lock it with the key. Refer to the fuse inspection and replacement video tutorial on this channel for a step-by-step process. Now, let's take a look at the battery. If the battery is discharged, you will need to push start your motorcycle. Turn the key to switch on the motorcycle. Keep your motorcycle in second gear and keep the clutch pressed. On a straight and flat surface, push it till a speed of 15 to 20 kilometers per hour is achieved. Release the clutch with a jerk and your motorcycle will ignite. Alternatively, use a standby battery or a battery from another motorcycle that has the same specifications. It is recommended to get the battery charged at a Royal Enfield authorized service center or battery franchise. Another method to ignite your motorcycle is to use a jump start kit. Attach the positive to positive and negative to negative terminals of the motorcycle battery to the jump start kit. Turn on the key and your motorcycle should start. Next time, if your motorcycle has trouble starting, you know how to fix it. Keep riding.